Small but mighty, the Weber Smokey Joe Silver Charcoal Grill is the perfect fit for travel adventures or patio dinners. With a 14.5-inch diameter cooking area, you can grill 3 steaks at one time or twice as many burgers. It may be the constant companion you've been looking for. Like all Weber charcoal grills, portable charcoal models feature porcelain enameled bowls and lids. Baked on at approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, the finish is actually fused to the steel, preventing rust through and burn off for years of use. The size may change, but the quality never does. No rust aluminum dampers on the lid and bowl adjust the heat the charcoal creates by adding or restricting airflow. For ease of handling, the grill has a glass-reinforced nylon lid handle set into the center top of the lid. The plated steel cooking grate provides ample cooking area for steaks, hamburgers, sausages, and other great grill-out foods. It's not just a handy portable grill. The Smokey Joe Silver is a Weber charcoal grill. Smaller in size but never lacking in quality, this grill has been built to last for years. Take it home and then take it with you.
Now you can experience gourmet grilling anywhere you go with a Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill from Cuisinart. This high-performance grill allows you the convenience to grill like a gourmet chef no matter where you are. Whether you're at the beach, the campsite, or even right at home, you'll be serving up gourmet meals like you're in a professional kitchen. And unlike other portable grills, the Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill provides ample cooking space for the entire family. The cooking grate is large enough to cook 8 steaks, 8 hamburgers, 6 to 10 chicken breasts, or even over 4 pounds of fish. Enough food to satisfy even the hungriest of crews. The Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill heats up very fast to temperatures over 500 degrees, so you're ready to start grilling right away, and at the same time, you'll use far less gas than a full-size grill, saving you money. And when you're done cooking, the Petit Gourmet Portable Gas Grill's legs fold inward in seconds. And with a locking lid latch and comfortable handle, it's ready to go to your next event. The Petit Gourmet Portable Tabletop Gas Grill. Gourmet grilling wherever you are.